That app could be fake, and downloading it could cost you. Not every app you see online is the real deal. Scammers create fake apps that look almost identical to trusted ones. Same logo, similar name, even copied screenshots. But once you download them, they can steal your passwords, track your activity, or install malware on your device. And sometimes, you won't notice until it's too late. That's why where you download from matters. Stick to official app stores like Google Play or the Apple App Store whenever possible. But don't stop there. Always check the developer name, reviews, ratings, and download count. A familiar logo doesn't guarantee safety. Be especially cautious with apps shared through random links, pop-ups, or unofficial websites. Because one fake app can compromise your personal data, banking details, or entire phone. Before you install, verify. Stay alert. Stay safe. Follow for more simple tips to protect yourself online.